Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Ha. That was something. Challenge 5 was just something. That was another level. So yeah, so the marks goes like this. Number 1 for challenge 5 was Enterboy with 20 points. Number 2 was Aerodrome Side, Mr. Aerodrome Side with 19 points. Number 3 was Tynax, the Helmet Queen, with 18 points. And then the bottom, it was Lego Style with 8 points, and Lincoln Bryan with 9 points. It's like, it was a tough challenge, one bit. And I understand, like, some of the artists were hip hop artists, and then this beat felt more like an Afro pop kind of beat. It wasn't hip hop, but I understand the hip hop guys were not really that touched. And then our judges, Agaripo, it's hard, it's hard. But otherwise, next year is gonna be something new. Just keep tuned to Outshine October. Next year we're gonna make it a little bit more popping, a little bit more nice, right? Because this year was status, with coronavirus. It was just something that we just thought, let's see where we go with this idea, and then this was the idea. So number 1, Enterboy tichakuitira video ako this month November. Number 2, Mr. Aerodrome Side, link up so that we can do your free video. Tona Titoshika Kubi. This is 210 Entertainment, and you have to go places. Next year it's going to be bigger. Next year we want you artists to be ready. And we're gonna do it much more bigger, and we grow, man. And I just want to send shout outs to Bindra Online, to Tatena Mabange. He's the first guy, also the vision of this show, and I'm the sponsor. Then we didn't have a lot of sponsors, but I hopefully next year Chawana my sponsors Agawanda. Then I just want to send a shout out to Roots Africa for the space that they gave us at Creative Hub. I just want to send a shout out to Roots Africa. Thank you for accommodating us at your offices and using your space so that we can have our creative vibe to be there. And I want to send a shout out to the Creative Hub itself, everybody who's over there, the Chronics, the Kenyans, the Eric Softwares, everyone at the Creative Hub. Just want to send a shout out to you. Thank you for supporting 210 Entertainment. And what else? Yeah, 210 Entertainment, where your dreams are just the beginning. Andy.
So you believe this round was final judge panel was paneled?
Yes, it was paneled. For those who deserved it, they got it. For those who need room for improvement, they will improve. We are not saying they didn't perform well, but there are other things that need to be improved in terms of creativity, lyrical content, in terms of flair. So yeah, I believe there was the final, and it was very much fairly paneled. To all our viewers, you can agree on me on that one. Yeah.
You guys for coming to the show, thank you for doing all of this. Please sign out.
Thank you for watching the show. Always tune to 210 Entertainment. Yeah, we're always going to do the what up, all lyrics in the house. So please join us and have a good night.
Thank you, man.
Alright.
Most lovely lady.
Foni yangu aupike rudoro waibika bebi ya uchapike andaisada rudoro durulike maybe wakati rudo egandi kwite message unoisa waniwe the answer ila kipa pondi negenda to chance unogotinde ipi hapa chisi na hani no matoxis anitira fani da mudiwa bamwe pane zvandiri kushotiesa nemumwe uchizvipiwa